South parking lot,
Yeah.
How
about that? Here's a 1958 Emerson Vanguard 88 transistor radio. It's a very big one, as you can see. And this time I own it. So, before I clean it, I noticed some of the paint was rubbing off, so I'm a little scared to clean it. But, yeah, right now, let's take this apart and see if it'll work. The screws are a little rusty, so I'm concerned about what the interior is going to look like. Oh, not too bad. This one's probably a bit later. And here we go. Yeah, this is a later model. Here's our long dead alkalines. And this entire assembly should slide out. Pop out these, old batteries. These aren't actually that old. They're like 80s, 90s probably. So mercury batteries. So this is the one with obviously the positive on the end here. So let's just dump these in the trash. But yeah, let's see if this thing will work. If not, we're going to have to do some repair. So these are not mercury batteries, so the positive is on the bump. So we're going like this. Were those mercury batteries? Uh-oh, I might have stuck these in backwards. They, not me. Don't be confused. Mercury batteries aren't made anymore. At least I don't think so. So yeah. Positives, negatives. Yep. This one will be interesting to stick in here. We might pull this out and stick in the springs first. Alright. No, it's dead. I just want a working radio. Is that too much to ask? Yes. And the radios say yes, it is too much to ask. You know, it would be nice if I had a power supply. Anyway. I have a very prominent feeling that this connector is shot. It's just completely corroded away. So, I'm going to use our continuity checker here. And, yeah. And this is really well put together. It's not like the crappy, some of the less quality-ing radios. So here's positive and negative just right here. So, yeah. Let's see if we get any continuity. Positive, and that's good. And negative. Is there anything up here? No. So we didn't sand this enough. Jeez. There we go, there's our case. There's our board here. Our speaker moves. Jeez, a lot of these parts have not been miniaturized yet. Let's see. 2198, 6801. Nope, that's not helpful. Guys, here's some good news. It's quiet, which means, once again, it's the upper section. Just like this and the other GE, of course it's the upper section. Hey kids, what if I told you that the problem was another bad joint? Coming off of the first, not yet miniaturized, IF can is a bad solder joint. I'll break out the macro lens in a second, but you can see there's nothing. I was scared. I was about to measure the volume potentiometer, but you can see that, well, I'll show you in a minute. If I short this, it works fine. Right here, pop trace, pop joint. How about that? Let's solder that quickly. If you wonder what this is Legends 95.7 or 810 AM.